Sino ako? Ako si Jem. I'm 7 years old and I'm turning 18 on November 1. I'm a people pleaser. I'm a soft-hearted person. I'm the person who always available to others. Hawak ako sa validation ng ibang tao. Pabibo ako. But I am a responsible student and independent. Reklamador ako pero marunong ako gumawa ng paraan. And sadly to say, I'm the least favorite child. That's me. Pero kahit ganun yung pagkakakilala ko sa sarili ko, I have a dream. And that dream is to know myself more. Ano nga ba tungkulin ko? To be honest, I really don't know ano ba purpose ko sa mundong ito. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano. Go with the flow lang. Kung ano dumating sa akin hinaharap ko, tinatry ko labanan. Pero isa lang siguro ko na dapat ginagawa ko. Hindi lamang ako, kundi tayong lahat. Maging mabuting tao at maging marangal. And I hope one day I will wake up and I will live the life that I always wanted. And in that moment, I will realize why certain things never worked out in the past. And I will be thankful that I didn't give up.